Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Trendsi fashion dropshipping app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Trendsi is a fashion dropshipping app designed to help boutique owners and entrepreneurs launch and manage their online clothing stores without the hassle of holding inventory. It connects users directly with verified suppliers, offering a wide range of apparel, accessories, and lifestyle products that can be added to your online store with just a few clicks. The app integrates seamlessly with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, allowing for automated product syncing, real-time inventory updates, and fast order fulfillment. The app's main feature is its all-in-one management system, which handles everything from product sourcing to shipping. Users can use high-quality product photos, descriptions, and pricing directly from the app to set up their stores quickly. Trendsi also offers white label shipping, meaning your customers receive orders in your brand's name, not the supplier's, giving your store a professional image. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise its simplicity, product quality, and integration with Shopify. The app makes it easier for small business owners and fashion startups to start selling online without major upfront costs. Its real-time updates and automatic order handling save hours of manual work, making it ideal for those new to e-commerce. However, there are some drawbacks. The app's customization options for branding are somewhat limited, and shipping times may vary depending on supplier location. Some users also report that pricing margins can be tight unless products are marketed strategically. It also requires consistent online management to ensure smooth operations and customer satisfaction. In summary, the Trendsi app may be worth using if you're an aspiring boutique owner or online seller looking for a cost-effective, easy-to-use dropshipping solution. However, if you prefer full control over inventory, packaging, and customization, you may find some limitations compared to traditional retail setups. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.